using it. So we're going to go back to Maths B and we're going to use the product rule to differentiate y. Okay, so from there I'm going to go back and I'm going to integrate everything. So I'm going to integrate y dash and integrate du dash plus u v dash. And when I integrate the whole side, I can integrate them separately. What's the integral of y dash? Y. U dash is actually du dx. Du dx. And y is y equals uv. So I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to flick that to the other side, and I'm going to go so knowing that means that if you get a brain blow up in the exam, you can just work it out. Yeah. So if you know where it comes from, rather than being an abstract, funky looking thing, if you forget the formula, it's okay. So we've got this rule, the integral of u dv and you'll see why I use that terminology instead of the dashes. Okay. So we're going to go the integral of, what's the first one in the book, I think?
X cos x dx.
So there's it, yeah, okay. Can you see here that that aligns with that? So I'm going to want to set u equal to something, and I'm going to set the d dx equal to something. Generally, you're going to set u equal to the term that when you differentiate it, it gets easier. And you're going to set the v dx equal to something that when you integrate it, it doesn't get more complex. Anyway, we'll just head in. So I'm going to set u equal to x, and I'm going to set dv. Yeah, and yes, I would offset it like that. I'm going to go this way too. What's du dx? If that's the v dx, what's v? Does that look familiar?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, so we can keep it familiar, then that pattern will help us, because now what I'm going to do is going to go using this rule, the integral of x cos x will equal uv. Well, where's my u, where's my v? Subtract the integral of v du dx. Can you see that if the derivative of u gets simpler, then we're simplifying that. So although I've still got an integral in my answer, and I still need to integrate to get an answer, it's a simpler integral that I can now do. What is the integral of sine x? Yeah. Negative cos x, so that's a plus. And what am I missing? Plus.
What is it?
Now there's a times by 1 because it was v du dx, there's a times in there. That's my v, and I'm multiplying by 1. Because it's simpler, the 1 just goes. So that's a nice simple application setting u, and this derivative just sort of falls away and out of pops in a couple of lines.